Say hi to all our Filipinos out there in Dubai.
Hello po sa mga kapuso nating OFW here in Dubai.
Thank you. Say hi to all the Filipinos out there.
Hey guys, we're glad to be here. Masaya kami na makasama kayong lahat.
Thank you.
So hopefully mamaya sa basketball game, manalo kami.
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm with Miss Janine. She's the most beautiful lady here in this place right now. Say hi to our Filipino friends.
Hello po, kamusta po?
Thank you.
Hello po mga kapuso, maraming salamat sa pag-invite sa amin dito sa Dubai. Natutuwa po kami na makasama ang mga bagong bayani natin, ang mga OFWs at ang mga kapuso natin sa Dubai. Keep on supporting si Conjen at ang Kapuso Network GMA7. Maraming salamat po. Salamat
Pinapakita po ninyo sa ating mga kaibigan sa GMA kung gaano kasaya, gaano ka-successful at gaano ka-driven ang mga Pinoy sa Dubai. Have a wonderful afternoon and enjoy the game, ladies and gentlemen. Salamat po.
We have jersey number 9, jersey number 15, 5, 85, and 10. Okay? At yung Kapuso All-Star natin, it's the local winning the opening tip. Number 5 has the ball. Fires! Yeah! Right on it! The locals scoring first blood in this game. It's 2 to running, but a 3 to running. That's from beyond the three-point arc. There we go. Bring him off. Number Derek Abdullah finds number 22 with a letter. Again, we go from backhand. Nakuha yung bola, 95. That's Andre. Swinging over to number 23. Fires! The ball rattles out. We can see the electricity inside the gym. Ano dyan? Sa tingin mo?
Medyo na-miss yung shot ni Rocco, but I'm quite sure na babawi siya in the coming round.
Alam mo, siguro nawala yung focus kasi ang mga boses sa babae, grabe, nakakabigin. Okay, here comes number 25. And time! He's got a 30 roll for 2.
Back for number 34.
Yeah. Makikita natin, Mikael Dias for the letter. Looking for an open man inside. And yes!
Somebody's blowing the whistle. Let's find out who is guilty of the foul.
Mikael will trip to the line at the free throw line.
Free throw for Mikael Dias.
Not able to hit the mark of the first attempt.
This is the coverage of the Kapuso All-Star Basketball Game here at the Al Ali here in Dubai.
That is a strong move by Western. Looks like we have a line violation there. So it's going to be orange, blue ball. Kapuso All-Star. Here comes Rocco, and looks like somebody's trying to interrupt him for the baseline. Number 5 finds an open teammate. 32 has it. Fires! Yeah! The ball has eyes! That's it, number 2 in favor of Dubai All-Star. The Kapuso All-Star behind by 6 points. Andre! And he's fouled all the way. The eyes of our referee are wide open today. You know, you're watching the first quarter of the ball game between the All-Star and Kapuso All-Star. Number 5, setting on the game! Yes, almost! Here comes Rocco! And inside the baseline, yeah! And we're fighting for a living! Ano? Dinig na lang yung boses ng mga babae dito ngayon. And they are really honey and high. I mean, they're enjoying every minute of it. Here comes Marcelo, 5-15, has it. Looks for an opening. Going baseline, reverse, and the ball rings out. Goes out. Number 3, action, on fire! Yeah! Mikael taking matters into his own hands. This is a real barn burner, Dan. Take out number 5. There's a whistle. Medyo hinahanap ko yung boses sa marker natin. Parang nabulo na.
Time out, All-Star!
We have a sign of a T, Dan. Jumper, right?
Now it's back to our ball game.
Dinig na yung boses ni Vega Avila. Grabe. Isa na. Akala ko talaga, magka-cover siya. Yung ba iba ang image siya ngayon? Hindi, gusto niya talaga yung audio. Parang image na siya ngayon. Hindi, covering mo. This is a first quarter in progress. Red on the attack, 85. Finds their 5 open, 25. Ricard's on him. Looks like we have a violation there. This is the encounter between the Kapuso All-Star against the Country Cup All-Stars.
First period, we've got still 6 and 23 minutes to go.
Missing the step-back jumper there.
I think it's a foul.
Okay, let's find out who's the guilty party there. Ayan na, mga kababayan, andito po tayo sa Al-Ali Sports Club. Right-handed drive, failed. Ito na, almost the steal there, yeah! Number 30 elevating but stopped all the way to the basket. Ayan, tingnan natin. Number 5 inbounding. Ang bilis naman pero sumablay. Ito na, Rocco! Stepping on the accelerator for a quick delivery for 2. Ayan na. Alvaro, pressured by Rocco. And here comes number 5. Spin move, Henry on him. Yeah, what a steal! Number 3, all the way, yeah!
Well, the Kapuso All-Stars leading this.
Rocco, burning run! Grabe yung speed, no? Speed is a name of the game. Ayan na. The first quarter in progress, game clock winding down.
And the Kapuso All-Stars, I think they've got a feel of the board right now. Kanina nagulat lang sila, pero bumabawin.
Akala ko, sa kanila lang magaling si Rocco. Yun pala sa hardcourt.
It's a hard court.
Oh, grabe. Ang bilis. Tingnan natin, no? Yung mga spectators natin dito sa loob are really enjoying every minute of it. Ayan na. Yeah! Rocco hitting the mark at a Japanese drive. Grabe. Oh. Ito, they're actually getting their work here because it's a Friday, right? You're supposed to be somewhere resting, but they're here because they want to see their favorite stars live inside the gym. Here comes number 22. Finds, yeah! You're going to get number 3. Penetrating inside. And strike back! Derek Australia delivering 2 inside the shaded lane.
Substitution.
Okay, number 3. Looks like we have a mass substitution from our local counterpart, John. We want to stop the bleeding, right? That's the reason why they're trying to replace their key players today. There we go! With a strong move to the basket. High five, Paras. Yeah! Both teams are training basket here in the first quarter of the ball game.
3 points.
4 minutes and 34 left in the first quarter. Yes! Sky high at 10. Pinagpawisan din yung mga local counterpart natin dyan. Oh. This event is a collaboration of our friends who like the NHMBT, PDO Uniband, League of Freight Forwarders, Power Technical Training Center, Albawamat Restaurant Contents, participating basketball team of the League of Filipino Gentlemen, Insal House, Joint Outlets, Light Backs, Professional, Samahan ng Basketballista ng Filipino, Shabab Al-Ali, Dubai Club for People of Determination, and GMA Live TV, GMA Pinoy TV.
4 minutes to go from here, 1 to 15 over 11. In favor of Kapuso All-Star.
Rumba on top of the key, inside, and number 1 has it, yeah! He is on fire! We can feel the electricity inside. Manalo 23 with behind the back. Here comes Carreño with a letter. Right-handed drive, failed. No conversion so far. Here comes Lucino, hesitating. Derek on the rescue. And yes, the ball bounces out and delivering a quick 2.
92 for Derek Bolisario.
The score is 19-11.
Derek saying no sweat. This is the first quarter of the ball game. 3 minutes left on the game clock. And it looks like we have a whistle. And Rocco is guilty of it.
Timeout, Kapuso Stars.
We have a ceasefire called by Blue. John, what do you think?
Medyo nahihirapan ang ating Dubai All-Star.
Oh, akala ko pa naman under the supervision of Jude.
Simple early. Medyo ano pa.
Maaga mo ba? Pero sa tingin ko, grabe. Alam mo naman yung power of crowd. Okay, John, would you like to thank our sponsors first?
Official media partner, thank you very much to GMA Pinoy TV, GMA Live TV, GMA News TV International. Our organizer for the event, Alpha Media Productions, official production partner, PBH, official lights and sound partner, EGA Sound Art Pro, official airline, Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, and our associate sponsor, Fundador. At Barado Grill, you can find Fundador, official hotel partner, Ibis Hotel, official sports apparel, Habitat, official travel partner, AFC, support sponsor, Emirates NBD, Tag 91.1, and our official visa partner, AMR Travels.
Still in the first quarter, number 22, Charlie Stride. Ayan na. It's blue on the attack. What a steal!
That's a steal from number 22.
Sky high with the board. 22 delivering a quick 2. Ayan na. Nakikita na natin. Hindi lang talaga sa TV ito si Rocco. Makikita mo yung speed, agility, and athleticism niya. Magaling, magaling. Ito na. Here comes 15. Unable to hit the bar. Sablani. Ito. $14-19 is a tally on the board. 22 minutes and 20 remaining in the first quarter. And ito na. 23. Almost. Passing to the wrong man. Nako, masyadong miscommunication there. This is the first quarter in progress. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining. Here comes 23. Nothing but the bottom of the net. Grabe, pumasok pa din. 22 on fire. This is the first quarter of the ball game. Kapuso All-Star against the Contents All-Star in orange. Ayan, itangan ng bola sa Mablay. And able to find his range in that quarter. Here comes Joselo! Elevating for a living. That's a quick 2. Ayan na, tingnan natin.
May substitution after.
23. 1-1 against 26. Yes, misfiring from the MBR. Yeah! That's a quick delivery for the drive.
Again, substitution. Number 9 starting for Rocco.
Do talk later for winning in a minute, courtesy of Emirates and BDO's Beauty Bank. Do watch out.
Rocco will now take a breather. Still in progress, quarter. 45 seconds left. This live coverage is brought to you by Alpha Media Production. This event is a collaboration between BCG Dubai and Northern Emirates, GMA Live TV and GMA Pinoy TV. Aina Jonathan! And that's a pick and roll. Maintaining his composure there. Derek inside his shoulder lane.
Red line
We have a
violation.
line violation.
More seconds in our first quarter. 27-14 in favor of Kapuso All-Star.
27-14 is a tally on the board.
Foul. Ano na? 25? Sino foul?
Andrew Barras is called for that foul. Jersey number 25.
Foul 95 Paras.
It's going to be first across his name.
First personal foul for Paras.
That winds up the first quarter time.
Medyo sinigatan ng team natin ha. Akala natin we're well prepared for this. But actually it's too soon. Babawi tayo in the next quarter.
Alam mo, I'm expecting them to really give our Kapuso All-Star a hard time considering that they've been playing here for about 6 weeks, right?
Nakakagulat lang din natin mga kapulisis na did you know na pala na si Rocco Lacino, he's actually a registered nurse. Maliban sa pagkakakla.
Champion kami
So, it's not only injecting on the fields, but also injecting on the ball, right? Kaya, ang bilis talaga. Okay, tingnan nga natin. get ready for the second quarter shortly. Meantime, okay.
Now it's back to our ball game. Right now, the second quarter. Receiving the inbound to the orange with number 2.
Welcome back to the ball game. We are in the second quarter. This is the second quarter in progress. If you're watching us, we are live here at the Al Ali Sports Club for the Kapuso All-Star Game. Eto na. Number 3 has the litter. Finds an open man. Here comes Di Guzman, number 7, hesitating. Going inside, he went traffic there. And able to find an opening. Ito na. Double team. Pero naibigay kay Andre. And finally, that's miscommunication there. Okay, here we go. Number 9 gives it to
Time to shoot.
This is the second half in progress. Dress with a letter, finds 13 wide open. Here comes number 12 all the way, throws it up. Yes, right on target.
3 points.
That's from the 22-feet line.
2 points from Jonathan. Jersey number 9 from the All-Stars Kapuso. Our score is 29-17.
One-on-one with number 9.
We get a foul call for jersey number 7. Pushing foul. And the 2 free throws for Jerry. Jersey number 1. First attempt is good, 1 point.
In a short while, John will be drawing some names for the Emirates NBD halftime 3-point shootout. Region Sumablay.
Our score is 30-17. Still pushing the lead is the Kapuso Stars.
Here comes Reyes with a letter, finds 3. 26 is on him inside. Yes, but missing another 10. Here comes Andre! Listen to the crowd roar! Oh, ito na. Campos 13 throws it up and unable to find his range another 10. And yeah! Nice feed for 2. That's not better. Here comes by round 26 of red on the crest. Yes! He bats it down from the Rainbow Country. This is the second quarter in progress. Later on at halftime, we will have the Emirates MVP 3-1 shootout.
Derek, Monasterio.
Reyes with a leather and unable to allocate for a slam.
We get a substitution. Michael and Papoy coming in for Derek. And Christopher.
Back in action. While Derek will take a breather at the sideline.
Hindi lang si Derek, pati rin si Christopher.
Oo. Tingnan natin kung lalong mabaon itong mga locals namin dyan.
Hindi siguro lalaban natin.
1-2, challenging the defense of football. Ayan. Medyo sablay pa rin.
Pushing foul.
Blue on the offensive end.
Number 13.
Here comes number 9, Jonathan with a leather. Looks for an open man. 3! And the ball bounces out. Eto na. Reyes. Bounce pass to 26.
We get a foul. Calling for a jersey. Number 3.
Ilang foul si number 3?
5 minutes and 40 seconds left of the second quarter. This event is a collaboration between BCG Dubai and Northern Emirates, GMA Live TV, GMA Pinoy TV, and Alpha Media Production with support from our friends here.
First try is good for 1 point. Another try for Michael. Good. Rebound by Andre, that's 2 points.
With an offensive board. And
We get a substitution.
a chance to be a 3-point
That's
play.
being replaced by Mario, jersey number 5. Our score is 37-20 in favor of All-Stars Capuso.
John, what do you think of, you can see,
Let's go for 1 point. We get a substitution.
we have a nice
5-5 for the Orange team.
Hindi naman siguro sila napapagod, pero I'm still, I'm still wishing kung talagang babawi pa sila. Pero these are actually the big rock dito nga sa mga teams. Pero baka nalibago sila because pinumbay nila yung mga team. So,
let's find out. Let's just keep our fingers crossed.
It's up to the Michael.
We got Anthony.
2 points. Score is 40-20.
Left-handed drive works.
yun ang tinatawag natin Capuso All-Star team. Pero actually, we have All-Star.
Marcelo. And what a steal! Mikael. And finds another man.
That's another 2 points.
Saving it for 2.
From Andre. Courtesy of Andre. Remaining time for the second quarter is 4 minutes and 44 seconds.
Benach unable to score on that attempt. And there comes number 5. Donato 85. Slicing inside. And the ball rattles out. Sablay and Ayan.
It's 2
Saving
points.
it for the second try.
New Jersey 85, 2 points. Our score is moving up 42-22.
Here comes Dario with a letter to Jonathan, number 9. Inside, fires! The ball rips out. And Sablay. Pasok na sana pero lumabas yung bola.
Timeout, Capuso Stars. This timeout is 13-5, JMA Pinoy TV.
We'd like to ask also Consul General Paul Raymond Cortez, we're going to draw.
Bigyan lang kita ng oras.
Again, ito na lang ng peras. Ang gamit ang
Okay, Chris.
60 seconds
Are
up.
you ready, Chris? 60 seconds lang ang time, katulad na magpadala ka sa Pilipinas, because your family will receive the amount in 1 minute or 60 seconds. By the way, yung gusto magbukas ng video at leave account, nasa labas po. So, Chris, are you ready? Time starts now! There we go! Almost, but not quite. Missing it at a 10. Firing and misfiring as well. No can do. Way short. The bank is close for him. Another try. Unable to hit the mark. Straddling from the corner. The ball rims out. Okay, one more try. Yes. Way short. Not the right stroke to score. And still straggling from the three-point line. And yes, game clock winding down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, yeah. Game clock